how to add inner shadow effect to object in Figma like this one. So simply create object, press R on your keyboard, and this is gonna be my object. I'm gonna round corners here a little bit, and this is my object. If you want to add inner shadow effect, make sure to click it, and on the right, make sure you are in design section and scroll down and find effects, and you can click on this little plus, and by default is selected to drop shadow. If you want to change it, click here and select inner shadow. You can preview that if you move your mouse. So inner shadow. If you want to customize it, click on this little square, FX settings, and here you can customize it. If you want higher blur, for example, you can spread it more, the position, and you can change also the color here. And that's basically it. If you want to, you can add another effect, for example, drop shadow, and you can also customize it. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.